the Sola Foundation Primer in Sandpage. Ito marunong mag-Tagalog. In super lock. Ko palang makeup brush is this one. Ano, so cute, diba? This is the Vice Cosmetics Stargaze Eyeshadow Duet in Stellar. Okay. Next is the Caroline Ink Liner. Liquid eyeliner. Ayun, ang ganda. Kaya siya nabibend, mas madali nga siya gamitin. Na ako, this is Glam Fix. My favorite lash curler. Kaloka. Kinoko nag-corrector. Vice Cosmetics Forever Pretty. Pwede na, pwede na. Setting powder. This is by Colorette. She Glam. Ihahabol natin ngayon. This is Maybelline Steady Tint. Here to be the girl. Bye.